Hey, hello everyone. Yeah, this time to study English. So see you or you again right today. Okay, so I am teacher Sokha, and today I'm going to share with you or with the word list of Unit 2. Okay, from English grade 9. Okay, so the first thing before we start the class, I would like to say, how are you today? Okay, our teacher is it just said normal, right? Normal. Cool. So yes, I'm fine saying. Okay, so on this time we gonna study. Okay. Uh, so I'm going to share the screens for all of you. Okay, we have two screens here, as you can see it, everyone. Okay, so this is the so sorry. Okay, so as you can see, this is the English uh, grade 9s and chapter 1 free times and unit 2 weekend activities. So according to this lesson, I hope that all of you know, right, what kind of activities that you can do, okay, at the weekends, right? So at the weekend, I mean the days that you don't have go to school, so different activities to do at home or go outside. Okay, so on this time, right? This is the new vocabulary in Unit 2 that all the students have to understand the meaning and also know how to write them to use them into sentences. Right? Okay, so on this time, so the first word is cigarettes. Okay, this look at this is the phonetic symbol, as you can see it. Okay? You can say cigarettes, cigarettes here with S because it's a plural. Okay, we can say in Khmer, barai, okay, barai. Because cigarette. Okay, so now let's make it okay into example. So all the students can make any ideas, any anything that relevant to the word secret. So now I'm going to write this word into sentence for you as the example. For example, okay, for example, we should okay stop okay smoking okay cigarette okay yes we should stop smoking cigarettes, right? Okay, it's wrong. Okay, so we should stop smoking cigarette because okay it can damage our health. Okay, it's okay. This is the example that we use. Okay, cigarette right here. The word cigarette here. Okay, as you can see it. Okay, and one more word that we need to talk about is merit. Okay, merit. It is adjective here. Đại ca rồi hỡi. Okay, merit. Okay, we write with ed đấy. This is what we come from Mary. For example, uh, I've I have got married, right? Since 2017, right? So it's a simple right that we can use with the word married. Or if you have another example, okay, it's okay, right? You're gonna write, depend on your idea. Okay. One more is tiger. Okay. Tiger here is noun. We can say in method class. Okay. So tiger, have you ever seen the real tiger? Okay. Oh, okay. This is the question that I asked you. It can be because we have the word tiger inside the sentence, so could be the example. So I'm going to write. So we can say, have you ever seen uh, a real tiger? Okay. So it's up to you, right? You need to answer. You can yes, I have, no, I haven't, right? Okay, now example number four that relevant to the words crocodile. Okay, crocodile. Crocodile is a verb. Oh, sorry, is a noun. Here the meaning in Khmer is sat cropper. Okay, crocodile. Have you seen it? Okay, or do you want to see? Or we can say simple. Do you want to see? Okay, crow. Okay, crocodiles. Okay, performance. Okay, do you want to see it? Okay. Okay, so here the word crocodile, we can use the word crocodile at the example like this. Okay. Okay, one more tiger. Also, I need to bold it. So it's gonna easy for you to look. Okay, and one more word there. Okay. Leopard. Okay, or we can say leopards. Pot, right? Pot, right? Leopard. Okay, here is in Khmer Satkla Rokan, right? It's a kind of animal that live in the forest, right? So you're gonna write any example. For example, a leopard is a wild animal, okay? Or we can say leo, or we can say leopard, okay? Leopard is uh wild any animals, right? Wild animal may refer to the animal that live in the forest. Okay, number six, example number six, relevant to the word giraffe. Everyone know giraffe with the sat is yeah in Khmer sat go away, right? So do you like giraffes? Okay. Do you like giraffe? Okay, this is example about what giraffes. Okay, so giraffes and leopard, they are kind of animals, though. Uh, these words, okay, in this unit, are more of the word relevant to animal words. So, okay, and number seven, okay, next is lion, right? Lion, I use, okay, lion is dangerous, okay? So we can say lion is a dangerous animals. You think so? Yeah, I think, right? So lion, so you're gonna write simple with the word lion, right? And number eight, question number eight, not question, is simple number eight. Uh, the word it is elephant, right? Elephant is a big animal, right? Elephants is a big animal, right? Okay. And it had very long nose. Okay, that you okay, number nine is umbrella. The word umbrella. Okay, you get umbrella, not la, umbrella. So umbrella, as you can see, the meaning in Khmer, chat. Okay, so okay, we can say that uh we need we need an umbrella. Okay, umbrella when we go outside, like when we go outside, when we go outside. Okay. So the word umbrella here, okay, it would be another different color, right? Okay, it's number 10 is, yeah, 7 is lottery, right? Lottery. Okay, lottery, the meaning in Khmer, lotteries, now, right? So have you ever once, we can say, have you ever won a lotteries? Have you ever won lotteries? Okay, lottery here. Okay, okay. So this is the words in unit 2. I hope that all of you will know. And if you're not sure, you can uh, watch this video again during your free time, in your free time. Or you can say that weekend activities of all the students, review the lesson visually, watch this video, right? Review the vocabulary with teacher. Okay, so that's all today. Yes, thank you so much for everyone for paying my attention. And if you have any question, you can leave your comment below. And if you want to study to speak English with teacher, okay, teacher have an online class, online English class for you to teach everyone. It doesn't matter wherever, okay, where we say, you can say wherever you are, right? Just comment just below the video. Okay, so we can contact all you back, right? Okay, thank you so much.